So here we got two interval. Guys, can you hear me? So we got these two inequalities. So we have to put these inequalities into our graph, okay? So firstly, we just draw this x-axis and this y-axis, okay? So our teacher told me that this will be x plus, and this will be x minus. And this will be
y plus, y minus.
This will be y plus, and this will be y minus. So firstly, we will notice at this numbers, okay? So the value of x will be greater than or equal to 0 and less than or equal to 2. So let's put this 2 in our graph. So 2 will be 1, 2 here, okay? And the value of 0 will be here, okay? Now let's put these inequalities. So we have minus y is greater than or equal to minus 1 and less than is or equal to 2. So plus y is equal to plus y will be here on the upside. So 1, 2, we get 2 here. This is plus 2y. Okay, then we put this number minus 1 here. So minus y will be on the downside here, minus 1. So we got our point, like we got a point here, that is plus 2, and we got a point here that is minus 1. This 2 value is for y, okay, y coordinate. This 2 value is on the y coordinate, okay, and this 2 value 2 and 0, this 2 is for the x coordinate, okay. So we got 2 points, 1 point here and another point here. Now we have to draw a vertical line, a horizontal line, okay. So we can draw a horizontal line from this point and also from this point, okay, and also from this point. Now we got our that is called triangle. Now we got our solution here, this area, okay, this rectangle. Our solution will be this rectangle, okay.
Right.
Okay, so this is the graph of these two inequalities, okay.
But bro, in homework, they are A and B.
Sorry?
Not 1, 2.
Guys, did you get it?
Homework, they are in homework, they are value of A plus value of B, not 1 and 2.
Wait, ভাই বাংলায় বলো, আমি তো বুঝতেছি না।
আরে ভাই, হোমওয়ার্কে এ বি দেওয়া,
ও এ বি দেওয়া,
1 2 দেওয়া না তো।
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে।
হোমওয়ার্ক দিছে নাকি ম্যামে? হ্যালো, হোমওয়ার্ক কি আছে?
হোমওয়ার্ক দেয় নাই তো ভাই, হোমওয়ার্ক দেয় নাই।
আরে আগেরটাই আগের যেটা।
ও আচ্ছা আগেরটা, হ্যাঁ
45 48
আগেরটা হোমওয়ার্ক। ওকে, সো আওয়ার হোমওয়ার্ক ওয়াজ from maybe from 5 to 12, right?
45
from this 5 to 12
45
and
yeah,
maybe 19 to 25. I don't remember, but maybe 19 to 29 or 27.
let me tell you. Okay. 19 to 27.
Yes. And here we had another
and
two, right?
45 and 48.
45 and 48. Okay.
Yeah.
So for 48, we are not sure that what is the answer. Okay. But I did it another way. I will show you again. Okay, don't worry. So did you guys understand this graph?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So if you guys have any problem, just ask me. Okay. Like Chirwa, Kondwani, or Reda, or Joib, If you guys have any problem, just ask me, okay? So let's continue the previous part. We all our teacher also taught us solving inequalities, right, today.
Yes.
So here is a inequality, that is 2t plus 5 2t plus modulus absolute value of 2t plus 5 is equal 4. So brother, who was that? Mr. Where is that? Chirwa, you got the problem
Yeah.
here, right?
Yes.
In the absolute value. Okay. So let me start from the beginning. Let me go to the Thomas calculus. Okay. So absolute value.
Which class are
There are
you
some
studying? Like class one?
some particular rules for absolute value. Okay. So if the if modulus of x, modulus of x will be a if and only if the value of x is equal to plus or minus a. Like we get -3. So the absolute value of -3 will be only 3. Okay.
+3.
And also the absolute value of 3 will be only 3. I mean plus 3. The second rule is, let me zoom in.
Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
The second rule is, if the value of modulus a is less than a, okay? Like we got something like this, 2x plus on modulus less than suppose 3, okay? So if we get something like this, so our equation will be, our inequalities will be minus the 2x minus 3 greater than 2x plus on. Sorry,
Hello.
plus on will be greater
Hello.
than -3 and less than
Hello.
3. Okay. Yes, I can hear you.
Yeah, bro, we can hear you.
Okay. Okay.
So the second rule.
I was testing my mic.
Okay. So second rule of absolute value will be, if modulus 2x plus on is less than 3. I mean, if modulus x is less than a, then our interval will be
-2.
2x plus on is greater than -3 and less than +3. Okay. Or x will be greater than -a and less than +a. This is our second rule. Okay. Second rule for absolute values. Let's go to the third rule. If we get something like this, like 2x modulus of 2x is greater than 5. Okay. Like this, the third rule. Okay. So if modulus of x is greater than a, if modulus of x is greater than a, then our interval will be, we can write it like this, 2x is greater than 5, or 2x is greater than 2x is less than -5. Okay. 2x is greater than 5 or 2x is less than -5. Like this way, x will be greater than a or x will be less than -a. Okay, got it?
Got it.
Let's go to the next rule. So these two are the same. Okay, number 6 and number 8. These two are the same. If you notice here, so you can see it just change the symbol, nothing else, right? And rule 7 and 9 is also the same. it just changed the symbol. Okay, nothing else. So guys, do you get it?
Yeah,
Yeah,
bro.
I got
Yes,
it.
got it.
Okay, let's go to an example here. So we got an example module. The absolute value of 2t plus 5 is equal 4. This line. So this is equal, right? That means our first. What does it call? Properties. Okay, properties or law. So
Properties.
properties.
Yeah.
So this is our first property, right? Modulus x will
Yes.
is equal to a if and only if x is equal to plus minus a. So we have to apply this here. So the value of this interval will be plus a and minus a. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then we add 5. Then we subtract 5 on the right side and left side. On the right side and left side. Then this 5 and this 5 becomes 0, and 4 minus 5 becomes minus 1. Okay, so we get 2t is equal to minus 1. Then we have to remove this 2 also. Okay, we just want t, so we have to remove this 2 also. So we can just divide by 2 here and here. So we get t is equal to minus half. And on the right side, we also subtract minus 5 here and also here. Let me remove this. Okay. Also here. So this 5 and this 5 becomes 0. We get 2t is equal to minus 5 minus 4 is equal to minus 9. Then we have to remove this 2 also. So we divided by 2. So we get our final result. T is equal to minus 9 by 2. Okay. T is equal to minus 9 by 2. So the solution of 2t, the absolute value of 2t plus 5 equal to 4 are t is equal to minus half and t is equal to minus 9 by 2. Okay.
Brother, if we
Yeah.
move the 5 in right side, what is the problem with that?
No problem. We can do that, right? We can take this 5 on the right side. Like that is more simple, right? We can take this 5 on the right side.
Yeah.
Then it becomes minus 5. So minus 4 minus 5 becomes minus 9. And then we take this 2 on below. Okay.
Yeah.
But this
This
is the right
becomes
way.
minus 9 by 2. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's continue. So brother, you got it, Mr. Chirwa?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. I think there was something more like there was something more rules like this number 7, properties number 7 and properties number 9. Okay, we have to apply these two properties also. So I need an example. I have to find an example here on practice.
তুমি করছো ভাই আজকে?
Okay, I think number B is also same. Okay, number B is also same like number A. So we are skipping this number B.
Yeah, we can skip it.
So we have to find another formation, like we have to find something like properties 7 and properties 8. Okay.
7 and 9.
Yeah, 7 and 9. Okay. So maybe the B is the right person. Okay.
Umar, I have a question.
Yes.
সব মানে বাংলাতেই বলি তোমারে,
হ্যাঁ, বাংলা বলো, সমস্যা নেই।
সবগুলারই কি এরকম ই করতে হবে তোমার দাগ দিয়ে যে এরকম -3 -4 সবগুলারই কি করতে হবে?
মানে এই যে এরকম রিয়েল লাইন, তাই না? রিয়েল লাইন।
হ্যাঁ, রিয়েল লাইন।
হ্যাঁ, রিয়েল লাইন সবগুলো রাখতে হবে।
তাহলে ওই যে প্রথম ওগুলা করছো?
এই দুইটা রিয়েল লাইন?
Can they use it when
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ
you're
হ্যাঁ
pushing?
এই দুটো রিয়েল লাইন আসলে আমি শিওর না কি হবে, তারপরও দেখি 4 এটা এত না,
এই দুটো রিয়েল লাইন কেমনি করবো?
এটা মনে হয় এরকম হতে পারে
করা যায়, করা যাবো না তো।
-1/2. So we are drawing the real line of this inequalities number A, okay? So this will be -1/2 and -9/2 will be where? 0.5 -9/2 will be here, -9/2. So if we draw,
9/2.
yes, so we got two solutions here and here, but I don't know how to write them because I didn't got any example, okay?
Alright.
So maybe I don't need to connect these two, or I don't know what to do. So let's skip this, okay? I don't know how to draw the graph of this equation. Oh, okay. So this is not a inequality, right, bro? This is an equation. So maybe we don't need this, okay?
What?
Oh, alright.
Can you see? This is not an inequalities. This is an equation, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So maybe we don't need the real line graph. I mean real.
Yeah,
real
yeah.
line. Yes. Okay. So let's go to another example here on number B. Exercise 1.3. Number B. So we got the absolute value of s plus 3 will be greater than or equal to half. So it matches with number 9 properties, okay? This property. If modulus x is greater than or equal to a, if and only if x will the value of x will be greater than or equal to a, or less than or equal to
The
minus
value of x less than
ওমর
or
ভাই,
equal to
if
minus a.
if and only if, এই মানে এটা অর্থটা কি
যদি
বোঝাচ্ছে
এবং
এখানে?
কেবল যদি, হ্যাঁ মানে শুধুমাত্র এই কেসে,
যদি এবং কেবল যদি,
বাংলা আমরা
সেটা তো বুঝলাম, মানে এখানে কি বোঝাচ্ছে এটা, মানে এখানে মানে কি
অবশ্যই
here it means we have to write this way, okay? We have to solve this way. If our inequalities is this, if our inequalities is this, or if this is given on the question paper, okay, then we have to write this way. If this is given on the question paper, we have to write this
I
way.
thought that it is important something.
No, it's okay. It's not important.
না, এটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট। যদি ওইরকম নিয়মে থাকে তাহলে ওটা ওইভাবে করতেই হবে।
Okay, let's continue. So we got the absolute value of s plus 3 is greater than or equal to half. So our rule is here, okay, here. So the value of x will be greater than or equal to a. So we write this way: the value of s modulus s plus 3 will be greater than or equal to half, because a is half, okay?
Half.
Here a is half. Or the value of the absolute value of s plus 3 will be less than or equal to minus half. Okay. So we are following this.
Yeah.
This parameter. I mean.
The property.
Properties, right? We are using this property. So the next line we just subtract -3 on the both side. Then we get s will be greater than or equal to on -6/2. Okay. And now that is on -6 equal -5. And on the right side we also subtract -3, and we get s is less than or equal to -1 -6. So that will be -7/2. Okay. So the solution is 2. Okay, we have two solutions here. One is the value of x is greater than or equal to -5/2. That means this will be from -5 till plus infinity. Okay.
ইনফিনিটি কোন থেকে আসলো ভাই?
Infinity. So let me draw the line. So if we draw this way, so we got 0 here, and we got -5/2 here. So the value of s will be greater than, right? Greater than or equal to. So this is our greater than or equal to, and the value will be this way, right? The value will be this way. So this way, how far? Until infinity, okay? Until plus infinity. This will go far away for till plus infinity, okay?
Infinity.
That's why our value is like minus 5/2 comma plus infinity, okay?
And
And-
minus, what about minus infinity?
Yes, so you can see here the value of s is less than or equal to minus 7/2. So where will be minus 7/2 here, right? Minus 7.
আচ্ছা উমর ভাই,
Yes.
আমি তো অলওয়েজ থিঙ্ক করি যে যখন s এর মান বা x এর মান বেশি হবে তখন ইনফিনিটি প্লাস হবে।
না না, দুই ক্ষেত্রে হতে পারে ভাই।
না, না।
We have to look this. We
আচ্ছা।
have to look the final answer. Like the s is less than or equal to minus 7/2.
হ্যাঁ,
So
s
where it
s
goes?
এর মান কম, এখানে s টা ছোট বা আর যদি ইকুয়াল বা
Yes,
বড়
yes.
বড় হচ্ছে না আর কি।
Yes, yes.
s টা যখন বড় হবে সেই ক্ষেত্রে আপনার প্লাস হবে,
হ্যাঁ, আপনার
আর s টা
কথা ঠিক
যখন
আছে,
ছোট বা ইকুয়াল হবে তখন মাইনাস হবে।
আপনার চিন্তা ঠিক আছে।
এটা থিওরিটা কতটুকু কার্যকর
হ্যাঁ,
সেটা আজকে
এটা ঠিক আছে ভাই, আপনার থিওরি ঠিক আছে, সমস্যা নেই। So here we are drawing this. So the value of s is less than or equal to minus 7/2. So this will go on the left side, right? How far? Until minus infinity. Okay.
Minus infinity. Yeah.
So the graph will be like this way. You can see I made mistake on the first stage because I didn't know.
ভাই
It will be
উমর,
like this.
ওই
Okay.
মাঝখানে ইন্টারসেকশনটা কেমনে আসলো?
এটা আসলে কিছু না ভাই. This is nothing. Okay, this is nothing. This is nothing.
না, মাঝখানে যে ইন্টারসেকশনটা দুইটার
Oh,
অ্যানসারের
okay.
মাঝখানে, দ্য
So
সলিউশন
why we use this union, right? So we have two answers, right?
Union,
We have two
union.
answers. One is here and another is here. So as we have two answers, so we have to use this union. Okay. Union means something
মানে
like,
তার মানে
yes, we have
if
this.
we use property 9, property 6, you have to, মানে
So,
তোমার যদি property 9 ইউজ করতে হয় তাহলে property 6 ইউজ করতে হয়, তাহলে ইন্টারসেকশন
হ্যাঁ,
দিতেই হবে।
So for property 9, we will use union. Okay. In our solution set, we will use union in the property 9. Okay.
আপনি মনোযোগ
And
দেওয়া
also in property 7, we will use union like this way.
Union.
You can see here like this way. Okay, like this way. So this will be only this will be go for property 7 and property 9. Okay, guys, got it?
Got it.
Chirwa, did you understand, bro?
Yeah, I understand.
Bro,
Okay, thank you so much. So this is our real number line. Okay, this we got minus 5/2 here and minus 7/2 here, and the graph will be like this way. Okay, one will be less than minus 7/2 and another one will be greater than minus 5/2. Okay, so this way we solved the inequalities including absolute value. Okay, absolute value means modulus. We also call it modulus or modulus.
in Bangladesh.
Yes. Okay. So now let's continue to. So let's see an example from Thomas calculus. Okay. Let's see an example from Thomas calculus. Here.
ভাই করতে দাও, সলভ করি।
Okay. Here we get 2x minus the absolute value of 2x minus 3 is equal is greater than or equal 1. Okay. So this fall into property 8. Okay. Property 8. What is property 8? Less than greater than or equal to, right? The value of x will be greater than or equal to a. So we got our property 8 here. Property 8 here. If the value of x, the absolute value of x is less than or equal to a, if and only if x is greater than or equal to minus a and less than or equal to plus a. So in the Thomas calculus book, we use property 8 here. Okay.
Yeah.
Solution B. Here. Solution B. Not here, bro. Not this. This one. Okay.
Bro, property রে এটা কত পৃষ্ঠা আছে?
প্রপার্টিটা আছে হচ্ছে টমাস ক্যালকুলাসের I'm not sure about that page.
পাইছি
Page number 6, page number 6 on Thomas
7
calculus.
নম্বরে
Yes, we got our
Okay.
properties here.
Okay.
So let's solve this number B, okay? Number B. So this is property number 9, okay? This is property number 9. So what is property 9? If modulus x, the absolute value of x will be greater than or equal to a if and only if x is greater than or equal to a or x is less than or equal to minus a. So we have to write this way: x is greater than or equal to 1 and or x is less than or equal to minus 1. Okay, this is property 9. Now we just divided this by 2. Okay, we just divided this by 2 and this also by 2. We just divided by 2. Then we get, okay, let me zoom in here. So 2x minus 3 by 2 will be greater than or equal to 1 by 2. We divided this 2 by 2. So now we can write this way: 2x by 2 minus 3 by 2. Okay, 2x by 2 minus 3 by 2. Or you can think this way. This is little bit complex for you guys, so let me simplify it. Okay, we can just divide it by 2 here and also 2 here and also 2 here. Okay, so this 2 and this 2 becomes on, so we get only on x or only x. Then we get minus 3 by 2 here and here half. Okay, so and the next
then
line,
you have to plus 3 by 2.
yes, and on the next line we can just take 3 by 2, right?
3 by 2.
Yes, we can take
Plus
this
3
3
by
by 2 from here to here. Okay, on the left side to right side. Then we get 2 plus 4. Then we get, okay, let me zoom this. If we add 3 by 2 here, so we get our LSD2, like as below we get only 2.
1 plus 3.
So we type 2 here. Okay, so and for upper side we have 1 plus 3. So we write 1 plus 3 here. So 1 plus 3 is equal 4.
4
and here below 2.
4 divided by
So 4
2.
divided by 2. So that is only 2.
Equals to 2.
Yes. So this way we get this answer: x is greater than or equal to 2.
2.
And on the right side, we also do the same. Like we divided by 2. We divided by 2 here. Also 2 here and also 2 here. So this makes this 2 and this 2 becomes on. So we only get x minus 3 by 2 is less than or equal to minus half. So if we take this minus 3 by 2 from left side to right side, so it becomes minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Okay, we change this. We change this. This minus becomes plus. Okay. So now we get 2 here on the left side. Okay, we write ons. We have to write this ons. Okay, as we get the same number here 2 and here 2. So we have to write this ons. And on the upper side we have 1 plus 3. So 1 plus 3 makes 4. So that is no, maybe I have done something wrong. Oh, this is minus 1. This is minus 1, right?